Hello and good evening, welcome back to the Financial Leverage Excel spreadsheet. Okay, this income tax will be the next one to calculate. And then the last sum with the financial leverage will be the V.F. So let's income taxes for the next one. So equal to B8 multiplied by B34. That's good stuff. Now the next one is the net income. The calculator is equal to B34 minus B35. The EPS being the next one. Okay, return on equity will be the next one, which is ROE. So B36 is divided that by stock of €10, 10.50%. That's very good, 10.80% and 4.80%. Next one is return on assets, which is ROA. So they're not divided by total assets. 8.40%. The other two are 5.40% and 0.96%. So this is the weighted average cost of capital, WACC. This is how to calculate that answer. The answer is 10.80% for that one. The other two are 10.20% and 11.4%. So that's how to, which it is very long, it's very hard and very technical, but that is how to calculate the actual simulation of the weighted average cost of capital. So one more sum left to do, which is VF. So it's earned before interest and taxes, divide that by the weighted average cost of capital. Alright, so that's the answer for the VF. So that is it. So that's all to do for the financial leverage. So thank you all for watching this. Hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all learned a lot on this demonstration on the spreadsheet. So thank you all for watching this. So have a good pleasant evening. Hope you all stay safe and wash your hands. Have a good pleasant evening and all. I will see you all very soon. So thank you all for watching this. Adios.